Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Just so you guys are aware, I know that YouTube has been like not giving notifications or whatever. So just so you guys are aware, I pretty much upload every day of the week except for Sunday. So just putting that out there, letting you know. Today I have for you an unboxing. What else would I have? Today I have for you Test Tube Beauty. And also I do have a current giveaway going on for when we hit 1,500 subscribers. There are 7 winners for that giveaway. So please check that out if you haven't, and invite your friends, family, anybody that you would think would like my content. Send them this way. Let's get her done. So Test Tube Beauty, it comes in an outer box and it looks like this. And so you can see that there are things floating around that are outside this box. I don't know how much it costs. I'll put it on the screen per my usual. And this booklet does tell you, so this is an every other month subscription or a bi-monthly subscription, and it does tell you how much the stuff costs. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what it looks like, and that is a really pretty fall looking box. I want to say that usually it doesn't have designs on it. I want to say that usually it's just a like a blue box or a blue circular thing. I don't know, I could be wrong. You guys know how my memory goes. Okay, so let's dig into this. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out of just the box is, I don't know if that's a V or a U. So I don't know if it says Elvis and Elvin, New York, and Lilac. An anti-acne skin rescue treatment masks. Oh, that's cool. So this is what it looks like, and there are face masks. There are 4 pieces, it says on the inside. So 4 face masks, I guess. Yep, 4 face masks. Okay, they are V's, so it's Elvis and Elvin. And there are 4 face masks, and they retail for $30. Holy crapola. Okie dokie. I'm down. I mean, I do have sensitive skin, and I do love face masks, so there's that. The next thing I am pulling out here is chlorine. So, I don't know if I can say this word and have a problem with monetization. So I'm just going to show you, I guess, but I don't think, okay, so it's a shower gel, but it says that word on there, and I have never heard of that word in correlation with a shower gel. I don't know, let's see, ooh, that smells really good. It's fruity. What's the smell I'm smelling? I don't know, but it is fruity and I do like it. Let's see what that retails for. So you could have gotten the body lotion or the shower gel, and I got the shower gel. And it says it's either $16 or $14. So it doesn't say which is which, so I'm assuming one is one is the other, sort of thingy. All right, let's see what else we have. The next thing I am pulling out is by Virtue, and it is an alpha keratin real science true beauty restorative treatment mask. Okay, so it's another face mask. This is what it looks like. Oh, that smells good too. So that smells like vanilla, maybe banana a little bit, vanilla bean, banana, something along those lines. Let's see. That is definitely, so I guess you could have gotten one or the other. You could have either gotten a restorative treatment mask or a dry shampoo, and I got the restorative mask, and it says $30 or $32, so I don't know which is which, but that is cool. It's also it's a different packaging though. See that packaging like that, and then see how that is packaged. It looks a little different, so that's interesting, but that's cool. Totally keeping that. You know, I was on the fence about canceling this box, but just because I get so much skincare, I think Beauty Fix is the one that I'm going to end up canceling though, because I like this one because it gives you full-size products, and Beauty Fix just does not do that. The next thing I am pulling out, ooh, what's this? It's a razor? That's interesting. I've never seen anything like that. So it is a Ave line razor, and it retails for $10, and it says, what is it? An anything but average razor with a multi-pivot function that's designed to give your closest shave yet. Okay, kind of has a short handle on it. I've never used anything with such a short handle, but I'm down to give it a try. The next thing I am pulling out here is a Laura Geller sculpting lipstick. Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. It retails for $21. Let's open it up and give it a peek. Ooh, that's really pretty sleek packaging. So it looks like that. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you guys see? I'm trying to. Can you guys see that imprint in there? That's really cool. It doesn't smell like anything. And that has like a super fine tip on the end. I've never seen anything like that before. That is super cool. I don't know. I'll probably keep it. I'll probably pass it along. Oh, it has a magnetic closure. That is super cool. I like that. Okay. I might just keep that. I don't know. I might put it in a giveaway. I don't know. Undecided. All right, let's set that to the side. The next thing I'm pulling out is NIU Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Now, oh, that smells so good. It does smell like pina colada, but, and that's what it looks like on the inside. I don't want to stick my finger in it just because I have so many lip scrubs open right now. I might just pass this along because I know that these things don't last very long. And I think I have like 4 or 5 open right now. So I may just pass this along so somebody else can get use of it, but it does smell really, really good. So, oh wait, how much is that worth? Let's see. That is worth $8. A delicious smelling and tasting exfoliant that is so natural you could eat it, or just apply it to your lips for mega moisture and healthy skin. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is this Refresh Skin Therapy. And that retails for $36. What is it? An organic peel that helps improve the appearance of fine lines and pore size. Okay. That's cool. Okay, it's very liquidy. So I don't. How to use. On clear skin, spread a thin layer over your entire face and neck. Leave on for 1 to 3 minutes depending on tolerance. Rinse with cool water to neutralize the solution. Interesting. As you guys know, I have a lot of skincare, so I may just pass this along to one of you guys. Undecided. I'll figure it out. And the last thing that is in here is huge. Oh, it's shampoo. VitaBird C12 Scalp Shampoo for healthy scalp and hair. So it retails for $32. What is it? This shampoo helps strengthen the hair root to create the look of volume from root to tip for incredibly voluminous and healthy looking hair. Okay, so it works just like shampoo. That's cool. Okay, so I mean, overall, I don't remember how much it costs, but I know that it's worth it because I know that these things are really expensive. I know that a lot of these things are high-end, and so I'm almost positive that it is worth, I mean, no, I know that it's worth it because I like the box, but as far as the value of the box, I'm almost positive that these things exceed the actual cost of the box. So I think that that is great. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and have a great day. Bye.